Hi guys, today we are streaming live and it's Guess the Animal Sound, but it's sea animals. Are you ready everybody? It's like the last video, but it's live and it's sea animals.
I'm coming. I think I can make it. Oh.
We have wires everywhere.
So we probably got like 15 or 16 or maybe 17 clips of sea animals that you have to guess.
Yep.
Oh my god. Alright. It might help if I plug in the audio. Here we go.
Yep. Shut up, Wallace. Wait, was that it?
It's a walrus.
Oh! I thought that was just a saying. Say excuse me.
Okay. This one's a tricky one. Oh, it's got a bunch of legs.
It's either Squidward.
It's hard.
Is it Squidward?
It likes money.
Mr. Krabs?
That is a crab sound effect. Yes.
Mr. Krabs?
That is Mr. Krabs. Okay, this one's cool. It can stay in the water a long time. It can swim. It can't fly.
Penguin!
You could literally turn that into a rap song.
when you're excited on the birthday.
Yeah. This is gonna be, if you watched Octonauts, you might be able to guess this one. I think this was featured in Octonauts. So it's making that sound.
Fish?
It's trying to disorientate prey.
Is it a lobster?
It's one of the, they say it's one of the loudest animals in the world. It's a pistol shrimp.
What?
And it makes that popping sound to disorientate people.
Whoa! Whale.
What kind of whale is that?
It's a blue whale.
No.
Humpback whale.
Yeah, it's got the back. Humpback.
We did blue whale in our other video.
Yeah, we did the blue whale last time.
After you watch this video, make sure that you go to our channel and watch that other video. Oh!
No lookies, no cheating.
Rookies. I'm a French capture. It's a lobster!
There's a restaurant after it, so this is supposed to be a spiny lobster.
Show that on camera. Show up at a birthday party. Hey, everybody! Go outside. No, what? The sun is a deadly laser.
Hello, everybody. Okay, this one's gonna be a good one.
I wonder if he eats crab. Is it a sea lion?
It's a sea lion.
I smell cum just.
Okay. No lookies.
Shut Penguin? Orca?
SeaWorld.
The things that are trying to destroy ships?
Yeah. Orcas. Orcas, yeah. Killer whales, another name for it. I think it belongs to the dolphin family.
Yep.
Speaking of which.
Wow, he said a bad word. Get it, SpongeBob?
Alright, Mr. SpongeBob. It's Flipper, also known as a dolphin.
Flipper muffins.
I don't know if you guys ever seen Flipper, but it used to be an old show back when I was younger about a dolphin that did a bunch of stuff. You can look it up.
The sun is a deadly
Here's a hard
laser.
one. walking?
Squidward.
It's the Squidward. That's what Squidward sounds
I can't
like.
believe you actually picked that picture.
This is one you're not gonna get.
Jellyfish.
Look.
Because I saw SpongeBob trying to catch it.
Yeah, so this is jellyfish. Sting you and they hurt a lot, so make sure you don't touch them. Alright, here's one.
Is that an octopus? Is it?
It is an octopus running.
Did you actually know that Squidward's actually an octopus?
He is?
Then why'd you do 2 octopuses?
Oh, Squidward. That's his own category. Alright, this is a funny one. He's out of the water.
Is it that lobster thing? Is it eating a banana?
No, it's actually they got a puffer fish, took it out of the water, and it started inflating, and then they went, see, watch. Like a whoopee cushion.
Okay, guys, it's time to sit down. Like, oh, there's a pufferfish on the couch.
Who put this puffer fish here? Okay.
I did. I just wanted you to puffer up.
So there's not many clips of this animal around.
Oh, I know. Is it? Can it sting you?
Yes.
A stingray.
It is a stingray. They're very dangerous. You have to stay away from them. They said that if you see a bunch of stingrays, there's usually hammerhead sharks nearby. So be careful of that.
Yeah, you see we have tiger shark in the background. I don't know if you can see. Is it a sea puppy?
It's a baby animal.
Yeah, that sea lions also knows I'm sea dog, so I call it a sea puppy.
Yep, it's a baby sea. Okay, that's one for Micah. Okay.
No?
No lookies. You got like 10 maybe. What is that? Okay, so this is a tough one. We didn't know whether to include the polar bear or not, but we included the penguin, and they're kind of similar if you think about it. They both go on land.
Yeah, because they go like about 7 inches below whale's depth.
Yeah, they go so far down into the penguins do. And the ocean is incredible. I don't know how far the polar bears can go, but they're kind of similar because they're on land and they can go in the water. And the fur's white, and some people say that the fur is transparent and the snow makes it appear that their fur is white. So that's just what some people say. So we included the polar bear. Alright, here we go, Micah. What's this one?
Angler.
It's pretty scary. So that's the thing on Finding Nemo that had the little light over its head. It's pretty scary.
I think of 3 more fishies. Thank you guys for watching. The otter enjoyed it. The secret seals enjoyed it. And every other animal secretly on up here.
And back here.
And up there.
And up here.
Like Magikarp. All enjoyed it.
We should have included Magikarp.
Stormy.
Starmie.
And Psyduck. Thank you guys for watching. And make sure you Hulk smash that like button. You are awesome.
See you guys.
Bye. First live of the life of Micah's time. Goodbye.